Good day, class. So our topic for today is all about function. Objectives: to define function, differentiate a function from relation, determine whether a relation is a function through vertical line test, and to describe a function by graphing. So first, let us define function. So a relation is a function when a unique first set of elements or domain is paired into a range. So meaning, function is a special type of relation. Okay? So, wherein the relation is a function if there is no repeating element in the domain. So actually, in identifying whether the relation is a function or not, you will simply look at the domain. Okay? Kapag walang naulit or if there's no repeating elements in the domain, then that is a function. But if the domain is repeated, then it is a mere relation. And also, a vertical line test helps determine whether the graph is a function or not. Take note that all functions are relations, but not all relations are functions. So let's try this. To determine whether the relation shown in each item is a function or a mere relation. So again, you will just simply look at the domain. So the domain here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, is there a repeating element? Okay, none. So, kapag wala, therefore, this is a function kapag walang naulit. Okay? Next, number 2, so we have our domains are 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay, so there is a repeating element, right, which is 4. So, it is a mere relation. Number 3, so obviously, this is a function because it is a one-to-one relation. Number 4, it is a mere relation. Why? Kasi naulit dito yung 1 because 1 is paired to 4 and 5. Okay. And then, next, number 5. So, just look at the values of x. So, we have here negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So, no repeating elements in the domain. It is a function. Next, vertical line test. So a graph represents a function if a vertical line intersects the graph at only one point. If a vertical line intersects the graph at more than one point, then the graph represents a mere relation. So basically in vertical line test, if there's a graph, okay, you will just draw vertical lines. And then if all the vertical lines only intersect or touches the graph at one point, okay, then it is a function. But if there is a line that touches or intersects the graph at more than one point, then it is now a mere relation. So let's look at this. So for letter A, this is the graph. So you will just, again, draw vertical line. Okay, and if you will notice, all the vertical lines touches or crosses the graph only once, right? So ito lang yung mga point na na-touch niya. So this one, okay, tigi-isa lang, right? So therefore, this is a function. Letter B. So again, draw vertical line. Okay, so again, each vertical line touches the graph once. So still, this is a function. Number 3, or letter C, once lang din, right? So function pa din. Letter D, okay. So if you look at this one, so this line touches or intersects the graph at 2 points, therefore it is now a mere relation. Okay? Next. Okay. Also this one, so dalawang beses nung isang vertical line na touch yung graph, so mere relation ulit siya. Okay? Letter F. Okay, so all the vertical lines touch the graph, okay, at exactly one point. So this is a function. Next, this one, okay. So if we have here vertical lines, actually, this is now a mere relation. Why? Because we can have a point here, or here, or here. So ibig sabihin, maraming points dyan, right? And we have what? Same values of x. So that is a mere relation. Next one. Okay, letter H. This is a function. I. Okay, for letter I, this is now a mere relation. And then last one. Okay, still this is a, okay, mere relation. So this is how we use the vertical line test in identifying whether the given, okay, or the graph is a function or mere relation. So again, function, every vertical line intersects the graph at exactly one point, and it is a mere relation if there is at least one vertical line that intersects the graph at two or more points. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson about functions. Bye.